when they talk about the gap between the superstars and mediocre in people using AI, I think that's true. But also, I think that's true of a lot of organizations. Those that have really strong leadership who understand the importance of data governance, AI governance, and all the really important things to make sure that things are done properly. They are the ones who will harness AI in the right way. And they're the ones who will understand user adoption, for example, and understand the importance of making sure you have a good team to be able to bring your users on this journey so that they're able to leverage the benefits whilst making sure that security compliance is in place. So those companies will be the ones that will succeed. Then you have those other companies that in my head, I liken them to teenage boys who have this really fast car and haven't actually taken the safety, security, driving lessons to, oh my goodness, you can do 360 if I pull this handbrake. Oh, and there's this turbo button. How fun and exciting. And just enjoying the ride without actually understanding, number one, the power, number two, the risks of using it wrongly, and that could go wrong. And I think it won't be long before we see these crashes in a quite public sense, where I think we're already seeing it, the confidential information being out in the world already, people using it and then having catastrophic outcome where their lives have been at risk or corporate espionage becomes much easier and so on and so forth. I think organizations need to be a lot more careful. And it's this fear of being left behind when everyone's going ahead that's making them throw caution to the wind.